Hello, so it's been quite a time. Well, I've done a couple of sessions of work since the last time I did a film in the van, so we can look at hopefully some of the progress that I've made. I've not made a great deal of progress, but I've done a bit, and I've got sort of the most of the heavy work, I suppose you could say, done. A lot of finishing to do, so I'll go through that. It's a bit of a challenge today because it's 32 degrees outside. It feels quite heavy, as if we're going to have a storm at some point, but it's forecast for Sunday. But it's very, very heavy, and it's absolutely boiling in the van. Anyway, so I'm in the van, just about to do some more work, and I'll show you what I've done so far. But here's the kitchen that I've put in. I mean, it's just really the basics at the moment. I've got a lot of finishing to do. I've got the doors to do. I've got the cupboards inside to do. I'm doing some cupboards at the top as well. But I'll just show you where I am at the moment. And here we go. So this is the kitchen as it is. There's a 2-burner gas hob. Ooh, that doesn't look very straight, does it? There you go, that's better. 2-burner gas hob, big sink with a tap, obviously, which is I've not clagged it on because I couldn't find the right connections everywhere, but I think I got them now. I just ordered some. So at the back, if you've seen this before, you'll notice at the back it was covered with carpet. So what I've done PVC planking, and I've put in, there were no cupboards here, and I've put in these cupboards. Obviously everything's got to be finished, so it's really in a raw state at the moment, but those are the cupboards there. This side I've put on wood planking, which is going to be painted white as well, which will be sort of a reflection of the ones on the right. Here as well, this is on the shower and toilet. I've just done the side of that with wood planking, which will be painted white as well. Now, I hate this puzzly stuff. It looks like a kid's playroom. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it's not a big objective at the moment. I can do this later on. I've got so much stuff to do. So here I've started doing the planking in the front. Okay, so there you go, down to there. That's a boiler there for the hot water. And I've started it up here as well. All of the wiring, obviously, has got to be. I'm going to put a cupboard there as well, about this height, I guess. Maybe you can see how high that is. So it's just above the window. It's not a huge cupboard, but it'll come out to about here. At least it'll be something useful. This cupboard, obviously, I'm going to plank over and everything. Got to do all of the habillage, we say in French. I don't know what we call it in English. I don't know, you know, because this was all carpet up here as well. They have this carpet and this magic glue. What I noticed was there was hardly any insulation, so I've insulated it with Arcoflex, I think it's called. So anyway, I've insulated it all. This I'm going to put a cupboard here, which will be for the electric stuff, and then another cupboard, 2 cupboards in fact, for the kitchen, but I have to decide what sort of height I'm going to do that. But I've got ideas, and this is going to be a cupboard as well. I'm going to renovate the fridge freezer so it will look like bloody new, and so that's about as far as I've got, which, well, it's like a big spice rack or something like that. Anyway, so I've got loads and loads of stuff to do, but I mean, I don't know, what do you reckon? It's looking a bit better, isn't it? Obviously it's difficult to see because I've got loads of finishing off to do, but it's on its way. Okay, so I'm going to crack on.